Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some more stuff that came in from Aliexpress. Yes, the last time they had a sale, well, not the last time, but maybe 2 times ago, I bought some stuff. It was a fantastic sale. It was stuff I need, want. Some of it is for collaboration, some of it is just because I like it. And I thought you might want to see what I got. Oh, I love these little containers. Aren't these cute? They're like blind balls that you see people open on their channels. Not too much here because I'm too cheap to buy them. But you pop them open. How cute would this be for a little blind ball for Blythe, Barbie, those size dolls? I bought more of the little earrings. These are Wednesday Addams. And I seem to have a lot of Wednesday Addams dolls, Blythe dolls, well, dolls. So those will be fantastic. Let's see what else came. Yeah, they had a sale, and not only were the dolls marked down, but everything. I mean, it was a sale. Darren reminds me that they'll have another one before Christmas. Oh, good. Look what came.
First part of November, I think.
First part of November? Yeah. Well, we're watching. We are watching, because, you know, I need more Blythe dolls. Actually, I am waiting for some to come that are going to be gifts, and I am going to do face-ups on them, so I'm going to be needing some eyeballs. I love these. I had bought some eyeballs, buyer beware. They said Blythe. I bought them. This has been a while ago. And they were too fat for the eyes, the mechanism to shut. So when you buy eye chips off of Aliexpress, make sure it says super thin. I know someone else that just had the same mistake, and it is frustrating because they're beautiful chips. They're I don't want to say better, but they are different than these in a very good way. Oh, looky here. Very cool. Now I can get to customizing. I bought a lot of chips. I like my dolls often to have the same eyes when you change it. So they're looking, you've got the same eye chip sideways forward and the other sideways. And then sometimes, like if I use blue for those 3, I use a different blue for the 4th change in the mechanism. So look, I got 4 or 5 different ones. Cool! My eye chips are here. I've got some dolls waiting for those. Let's see what else I did get. I'm waiting for some fabric to come. And I wish it would hurry. Oh, shoes. You know, I say all the time when I put orders in to Aliexpress, because I have so many dolls and because Blythe dolls, and because I am giving some as a gift and I'm getting some ready to sell, I buy these little shoes. They're just over $1 a pair. They're cute. And they go with a lot of outfits. I wish they were all black. They're not, but this is what they have, and I buy them. Now, we went to Walmart yesterday. Had to run in it, day before, to get some things, and the dogs and I waited in the car, and Darren went in, and he went to the clearance aisle and texted me, did I want any of the dolls? And they had Rainbow Highs. How much were they, 21?
21 for the Pacific Coast.
For the Pacific Coast. He sent me pictures of each, and I said, no. And that's about how I said it. But bless his heart, he surprised me with these. They were on clearance too, and he bought me some pencil cases. I use those to store some items in for my Blythe and Barbies. And in that same bag was a little surprise for me. So I thought that was really fun. So let's see which ones I got. Oh, cool. Oh, these are really cute. Thank you, Darren. Won't these be cute on Ken? Really really cute. Thank you very much. So that's what I got today. I have my little assistant here, my little chubby Blythe. I've been working on clothes for her. Darren has made her new shoes. We're going to make these in some other colors. I like those shoes. I think they're cute. The Mimi Bobek shoes that came with her body make her feet look really, really tiny. And these go on and stay on, and that's what I really like. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Darren. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.